I know it sounds cliche, but it's true. The only thing holding you back is yourself. You have to believe in yourself and your abilities, and you have to be willing to put in the work. There will be obstacles along the way, but you can overcome them. You can do anything you set your mind to. Now, I want to ask you a question. What is your biggest goal? What is it that you want more than anything? Take a moment to think about it. Write it down if you have to. Now, ask yourself this. What are you doing right now to make that goal a reality? If the answer is nothing, then you need to start taking action. The first step towards achieving your goals is to have a plan. Break your goal down into smaller, manageable steps. Figure out what you need to do in order to get closer to your goal and start taking action. It doesn't matter how small the steps are, as long as you're moving forward. The second step is to stay motivated. Motivation is key when it comes to achieving your goals. You have to keep pushing yourself, even when things get tough. Remember why you started in the first place, and keep that vision in your mind. Surround yourself with people who believe in you and support you. Now, here's the secret tip that I promised you. Don't be afraid to fail. Failure is not the end. It's just a part of the journey. Every successful person has failed at some point, and that's okay. It's how you react to failure that matters. You can either let it defeat you, or you can learn from it and use it to become stronger. In conclusion, I want to leave you with this. You are capable of achieving anything you want in life. Believe in yourself, make a plan, stay motivated, and don't be afraid to fail. Remember that the only thing standing between you and your goals is you. Now go out there and make it happen. I want to ask you one final question. What's one thing you're going to do today to get closer to your goal? Leave your answer in the comments below. And if you want more tips and inspiration, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for the key to success, then you won't want to miss the video at the top. It's packed with valuable insights and practical tips that can help you achieve your goals and unlock your full potential. And if you're serious about succeeding, then you won't want to leave without